December 21st, and I don't have room for more. It's totally packed here, so I need to give away something. And you can win some of this. Comment below every day what you like and what you didn't like, and maybe I'll pick some of that. So, day 21, only 3 days until Christmas Eve, and where did time fly by? I can't believe it. This year has just flown by. Harrods is ready for week 21. So let's see what they have for us on day 21. MONCHO MORENO, it's for your hair. It's 3.3 fluid ounces or 100 milliliters. What is it again? Oh, it's a leave-in conditioner. So that's the one. And it is from Spain, looks like. Yeah, made in Spain. Cult Beauty, let's see what they have at the end of calendar. We have 2 products actually. It is a pen, let me see, it's Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil Extreme. It's an intense color waterproof lip liner in Limitless Brown. Let me swatch that for you. Oh, that was easy to apply. And the next, Legendary Lip Oil from RMS Beauty. So that was RMS Beauty lip oil. And let me see, I have destroyed this already, so let's just continue opening it. And this is a pen from Makeup Forever. So that's nice, like that. SpaceNK, it's all the way in the back. Let's see, oh, it's a heavy one. Oh, it's actually 2. So the first one is from Drunk Elephant, Beste number 9 Jelly Cleanser. And this is only 15 milliliters of 0.5 fluid ounces. So a cleanser, you can try it a couple of times at least. But what I like is that even if this is just a tester, they do have a full-size product in here also. And that is from the INKEY list. This is Ectoin Hydro Barrier Serum. Best for all skin types. It helps to deliver multi-level hydration and strengthen the skin's barrier. I like this. So that's the one from INKEY Serum, and it's 30 milliliters of 1 fluid ounces. I have just tried a few, maybe a couple of products from INKEY before, but I think they are pretty good. What do you think? Do you like them? Where are they from? They are made in Canada. So that was day 21. Oh, almost there, guys. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.